What is your favorite color?
Pink and purple.
Okay. What is your favorite animal?
A big puppy just like I have.
Big puppy. Okay. What is your favorite food?
Peanut butter and jelly.
Okay. What is your favorite... Let's see. What is your favorite... something? Okay, just tell me what you like.
Okay. I like animals. And I love real animals that fake like those animals. So let me take a picture with you and the animals with my big puppy too. Not with the camera. I want to see your eyes and your mouth.
Okay.
Bigger.
So you like taking pictures?
That's flip it.
Okay.
Let me see if this has one.
Battery's dying.
The battery's dead?
It's dying. It's not dead yet. Okay.
You can take a
I
video.
just say bye-bye.
Bye.
What are your favorite ways to say bye? Like,
Bye.
oh, that's just it? Okay.